There you go, sir. Thank you.
Well, I think it's just a inexpensive treat, and I think it's a real good treat, you know. It's a lot of quality for the amount of bucks. And I think people just like coming down here and hanging out and getting away, making memories. And I've noticed I'm on my third generation of people since I've been here. I see, you know, grandmothers bringing their grandkids, and they used to bring their kids here. So it's kind of neat. Our ice is real fine. It's fresh. It's finely shaved. It's good flavoring. It's easy to eat. It'll just melt in your mouth. A lot of people like the cream. People say, I just want cream. Well, the cream's really no good without the flavoring. And the flavoring wouldn't be any good without the finely shaved ice. So it takes three components, you know, to make a good snowball. Plus, you know, you got to have people that care about what they're doing.
Snowballs you think you've sold in your lifetime?
Oh, Lord. I know we've got to be over the million mark or more, 2 million. I don't even know. It's been a lot. yeah, we on up there. Well, I guess the reason I remember it is because of their loyalty. It's repetition. Anything you do and you do it over and over, you know, you tend to remember it or get better at it, ever what your field is. But that's a lot of the reasons. You know, I've had the same people over the years, and people are kind of creatures of habits. They don't change a lot, you know. So I guess I'm not really that smart. It's just they just get the same flavor over and over.